The BEPOCAM ZD03 UHD 4K Mini Dashcam for cars is a compact and feature-rich dash camera designed to capture high-quality video footage while driving. Let's review its key specifications and features. Brand and model. The Dashcam is from the brand BEPOCAM, and its model is ZD03. Video quality. The camera records video in UHD 4K resolution at 3840 x 2160 pixels and 30 frames per second. This ensures sharp and detailed footage, allowing for clear visibility of road conditions and potential incidents. Video format. The recorded videos are saved in MP4 format, using the efficient H.265 video compression. This format helps to reduce file sizes while maintaining good video quality. Display. The Dashcam does not have a built-in screen for live video playback. Instead, it focuses on providing a compact and discreet design. Lens and field of view. The camera features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, which offers a broad perspective of the road ahead, capturing a wide field of view. Loop recording. The Dashcam supports loop recording, allowing continuous recording by automatically overwriting the oldest files when the memory card reaches its capacity. You can choose between loop recording durations of 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or 1 minute. Audio recording. The camera has the capability to record audio, which can complement the video footage by providing additional context and details. Voice broadcast. The Dashcam supports voice broadcast, which can provide audible alerts or notifications during various events or operations. G-sensor. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden movements or impacts and automatically locks the recorded video files to prevent them from being overwritten. This feature is useful in the event of an accident, as it helps preserve important evidence. Power input. The Dashcam can be powered through a Type-C USB connection with a 5V2A power supply. This allows for easy and convenient power input. In summary, the BEPOCAM ZD03 UHD 4K Mini Dashcam for cars offers high-quality video recording in 4K resolution, loop recording, audio recording, and G-sensor functionality. While it lacks a built-in screen, it provides a compact and discreet design. With its wide-angle lens and various recording options, it can be a valuable addition to your car for capturing important footage and enhancing your safety on the road.